Downtown Berkeley is known for its energy, diversity, and intellectual spirit, making it a hub for both students and professionals. And in a city where healthcare innovation and academic excellence thrive, having easy access to life-saving education is invaluable. That's why our Safety Training Seminars Downtown Berkeley location is a top choice for those seeking American Heart Association certified CPR, BLS, ACLS, PALS, and first aid training. Our courses combine hands-on instruction, interactive online learning, and real-world practice with CPR mannequins and AED training equipment. By the end of your class, you'll feel confident stepping up in a critical situation, whether at a hospital, a school, or even at home. And the best part? You'll receive your AHA certification card the same day, valid for 2 years. Classes are conveniently offered 7 days a week. Enroll today at safetytrainingseminars.com.